Good morning, everyone. It's me, the profitable investor, and welcome to the next lesson in the ATM Plus class. So, remember the trade we've been monitoring since the reversal we've been expecting? Well, guys, now do you see what's happening to the stochastic? Do you see how that the stochastic has finally crossed on the daily? And like I said, it's heading for the red. Now, look at this. So you see that the losses we were having when trying to time the sell reversal, as long as you keep your losses very short, you can always recover from whatever loss. So look at this. I told you start your analysis from the daily. You pay attention to the stochastic, the slope. Is it coming down and crossing the others? And then you also pay attention to the momentum. Is price below the yellow 2 SMA? And then I said you come to the 1 hour. You can see that on the 1 hour, remember in the previous video I told you that the same way you see the yellow and the blue, those yellow and blue lines all the way, the yellow and the sky blue, that we're hoping to see them form here on the other side, and it has formed. Then you see the pink line, price has crossed. Then I also said that on the 5 minutes we'll be looking at the green line. So let's move to the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes, do you see how price crossed the green line? You see that now? All the way. The price is below the green line. And then on the 1 minute, we look at the red line. Do you see that, guys? Do you see the red line? So this is exactly how we trade. This is exactly how we trade. Now, if someone can ask, oh, when do we exit? Well, ideally, this stochastic is going to try and touch this red line. So we are going to, you can close half of your position if you want. So to close half will be to come here, click on close position. Then to close half, I will change this from 0.300 to 0.150 if I wanted to close half. 0.150, so that will close half. You see, I'm going to close 3132 instead of if I had closed everything. So I'll just change this to 0.150 and close half of the position in profit to recoup all those previous losses that were made. That's one way to exit. Okay, now the second way to exit is for you to just wait the same way we waited for price to buy all the way and then finally come back down. We can wait for it to do the same thing and get here. All right, I hope you understand this. So you can watch every single video. We've been tracking this trade step by step, video by video, and you've seen how to use the ATM Plus and how that the edge of this ATM Plus is really this stochastic on the daily. All right, let me have your questions. Cheers and God bless, guys.